Hello there. My name is Fabio and I welcome you to today's guided meditation. Thank you for being here. I kindly ask you to find your favorite position. Make sure to have your spine upright. Turn off all of your notifications. When you're ready, close your eyes. Welcome to day 12 of your meditation journey. Today we focus on cultivating inner peace. Begin by bringing gentle awareness to your body. Starting at the top of your head, notice any tension or restlessness. Let your face soften, your jaw relax, your eyes rest. Feel your neck and shoulders drop, your chest open, your arms and hands rest easily. Let your whole body settle into a posture of calm and ease. Inner peace isn't about having a perfect life or quiet mind all the time. It's about finding calm in the middle of whatever's happening. It's the ability to be with yourself just as you are in this moment. Notice if your mind is busy or your emotions are stirred up. That's okay. Inner peace is possible even with a busy mind. Bring your attention to your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall of chest and belly. With each inhale, imagine breathing in calm. With each exhale, let go of tension, stress, or anything you don't need. If your mind wanders, gently return to your breath. Each return is a step toward peace. notice what's present for you right now. Thoughts, feelings, sounds, sensations. Instead of wishing things were different, see if you can accept this moment as it is. You can always say silently to yourself, "This is how it is right now," and that's okay. Acceptance is the doorway to peace. Allow yourself to rest in the stillness beneath all the activity of your mind. Imagine your thoughts and feelings as waves on the surface of a calm, deep lake. No matter how much the surface moves, the depth remains peaceful. Rest your attention in these peaceful depths. You don't need to do anything, just be. Whenever you notice your mind wandering or your body tensing, gently return to your breath and the feeling of peace within. You can do this as many times as you need. Each return is a victory. Inner peace is not a destination, it's a practice, a way of relating to yourself and life. As we finish, notice how you feel. Even a few moments of peace can change your whole day, huh? Take 3 deep breaths, feeling grateful for your ability to find peace within. Day 12 complete. Tomorrow, 13 minutes of integration.